Music is just something that I love doing and love playing, and I love it because you can experiment differently with it and all the people that you meet as well along the road. If you're ever stressed, go pick up the fiddle. This is my fiddle, and it has 4 strings, and you play it with a bow, and the bow is made out of horsehair. I love the sound of the fiddle, and I suppose it was the first instrument that I was introduced to. I have twin sisters. They play the harp and the elan pipes, and then my wee brother plays the banjo. I just love the fiddle, and there's so many people that I look up to now playing the fiddle, for the likes of Chaoimhín, Bridge Harper, who taught me the fiddle. I wouldn't really classify myself to have a regional style, maybe an Ulster style of fiddle playing. It's not like it used to be years ago where you only could travel up the road for a session. Now people can experiment a bit more, so you could listen to some fiddle players from Donegal and you could think, oh, I like what they do, without them put it into your music. Or if you don't like it, you don't have to put it in and you can just do your own thing. Whenever I'm playing with my sisters, it gives me a great feel of sort of like satisfaction or something. I'm not really sure. Everyone can bring their own sort of style together and their own wee twist, and then it creates something really great. I've performed in front of different audiences. Like you could be playing at home in front of your mummy and daddy, or we've played in the National Concert Hall before, and it's a lot of a bigger audience and you get a real buzz off it. Whether it's one person listening or 1,000 people listening, it's always important that you have listeners. And what's so important about your 2 feet? What's so important? That they must be flat on the floor to keep you nice and steady. I love teaching music and love passing on what knowledge I've picked up through the years, and it gives me great satisfaction whenever I'm showing something to somebody, and like how I was shown as well. I would have some people who would come into me in the first lesson and there'd be very, very few words out of them. But sometimes their music helps them progress and brings them out of themselves as well, because they can express themselves. They can meet other children, and whenever they have similar interests, it's almost like an automatic bond. It definitely is an international language as such. I've came across many people and have many friends that live all over the world, and you mightn't be able to speak to each other verbally, but you can always assure that you'll find a tune in common.